Hey guys, this is Marshall over at poolwarehouse.com. Just want to take a minute to talk to you about a new product line we're carrying here. It's Pool Season Pool Chemicals. They're kind of going to be your one-stop shop for everything chemical related for your pool, whether it's opening it up in the spring, your maintenance during the summer, or you're getting ready to close it in the fall. From your chlorine tablets, your weekly, your heavy hitters here. My favorite thing about these specifically is that they're individually wrapped in the package. You're not getting smacked in the face by that heavy chlorine smell. I don't feel like I need gloves on or need to wash my hands after opening it up and touching these. Really cool. They got pH management. If you got a saltwater pool, you're probably always fighting to bring your pH down. They got pH minus. A lot of other pools, you could struggle keeping the pH up. Your pool's too acidic. Chlorine smell. If you got a bad chlorine smell, it's probably because your pH is too low. You got this. If you're using normal Tricor tablets like these, probably aren't using stabilizer a whole lot, but if you have a saltwater pool, you need to be using stabilizer. They carry that. Got algicide, clarifier, flocculant. They got the whole lineup. If you have questions about how to use chemicals, you're not sure what to use, when to use it, what order to use it in once you got all of it, we got a lot of educational material on our website. We got videos, how-tos, so feel free to give us a call or visit us at poolwarehouse.com.